A developer wants to enable X-ray tracing on an on-premises Linux server running a custom application that is accessed through API gateway. What is the most efficient solution that requires minimal configuration? Install and run the X-ray SDK on the on-premises server to capture and relay the data to the X-ray service. Configure a Lambda function to analyze the incoming traffic data on the on-premises servers and then relay the X-ray data to the X-ray service using the put telemetry records API call. Install and run the CloudWatch unified agent on the on-premises servers to capture and relay the X-ray data to the X-ray service using the put trace segments API call, or install and run the X-ray daemon on the on-premises servers to capture and relay the data to the X-ray service. Install and run the X-ray daemon on the on-premises servers to capture and relay the data to the X-ray service. That listens for traffic on. Okay, I guess you can just install it to on-premises servers, obviously. Okay. You are creating a mobile application that needs access to the AWS API gateway. Users will need to register first before they can access your API, and you would like the user management to be fully managed. Which authentication option should you use for your API gateway layer? API gateway user pools, Cognito user pools, IAM permissions with SIG v4 Lambda authorizer. Cognito user pools. Control access to your Amazon API gateway. Okay. Your company uses an ALB to route incoming end user traffic to applications hosted on EC2 instances. The applications capture incoming request information and store it in the RDS running on Microsoft SQL Server DB engines. As part of new compliance rules, you need to capture the client's IP address. How will you achieve this? Header X forwarded from, header X forwarded for. Get the client IP address from server access logs, or get the client IP address from ELB logs. Okay, X forwarded for helps you identify the IP address of a client when you use an HTTP or HTTPS load balancer. Okay. A company wants to automate and orchestrate a multi-source, high-volume flow of data in a scalable data management solution built using AWS services. The solution must ensure that the business rules and transformations run in sequence, handle reprocessing of data in case of orders, and require minimal maintenance. Which AWS service should the company use to manage and automate the orchestration of the data flows? Batch, step functions, glue, Kinesis data streams. Step functions is a visual workflow server that helps developers use AWS to build this. Okay. I know this one already. Let's go past it. All right. Okay, as a developer, you are looking at creating a custom configuration for EC2 instance running an auto-scaling group. The solution should allow the group to auto-scale based on the metric average RAM usage for your EC2 instances. All right, create a custom metric in CloudWatch and make your instances send data to it using put metric data, then create an alarm based on this metric. Enable detailed monitoring for EC2 and ASG to get the RAM usage data and create a CloudWatch on top of it. Create a custom alarm for your ASG and make your instances trigger the alarm using put alarm data API, or migrate your application to Lambda. Create a custom metric in CloudWatch and make your instances send data to it using put metric data, then create an alarm based on this metric. Okay.